trouble than you can shake a stick at. What's that? Who am I? Why, these whippersnappers don't know a legend when they see one. Well, if you ain't got time to teach you some manners. The name's Cranky. I'm the oldest and most respected member of the Con family. And where was I? Yeah, I hear you, Squawks. The trouble is the Tiki Tap tribe. Those good-for-nothing dumb drums have broken into the Golden Temple. Keep your feathers on, Squawks. I'm about to tell them. You see, those noisy nincompoops are after the sacred golden banana. The same golden banana that's been safe in the temple for thousands of years. Thank you, guys.
Oh, snap. Put the loop in for me.